What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. I don't even know what to say to you guys. Let's just get into the video. I do want to ask you guys, so make sure you listen to this intro. Comment down below, should I do the weekly type of episodes of how to be a day in the life of a sneaker reseller, or should I go back to doing just these type of videos, the reviews? Let me know. I think I know what I should do more often, but we're gonna try to mix it up. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, as well as comment whatever you want, because I respond to all my comments. So just subscribe. We're on our way to what, 500 plus subs. So let's get into there. We got a new shoe based on the title. Some of you guys might not know, some of you guys may know. As well as like the video, share the channel, get more people join the squad. Instagram and main channel, hit the links down below. There will be down below. So click on those links and check out the main channel as well as the Instagram. So let's get right into the video. Let's get it. No further ado, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, I'm tired. That's why my eyes is like hurting. But either way, it feels good to be back. I'm gonna literally, while you guys watching this, I just filmed it. And I edited it real quick, and I'm going to post it right now. It might be a little late, but it's cool. But like I said, guys, I've been dealing with vacation from work. I'm trying to get business. At the end of the day, business is most important. I'm trying to do because I'm trying to get this money, trying to get everything in order. The summer's coming, so I won't be going to work in the summer because if you guys don't know, I work with kids. So in the summer, they got summer, summer program, but I'm not working with them in the summer, so we gotta get business in right, because I gotta make this bread. But enough of that. So Nike dropped a couple dunks and Jordan 1 lows, which I am gonna have a video about. This might be part 2 of Nike Blessed It, because I did post a video like months ago about Nike Blessed It, but we're gonna get into that maybe down the week. I mean, a couple of days from now, depending on when all my packages get here. But today a package came, which I'm glad it's one of the new sneakers. Finally get to review and look at them. But it's called the Jordan 1 Low Denim Wash or something like that. It's called Denim something, but I was able to hit 6.5 right here. Boom. I wasn't able to hit more because they're actually doing pretty good for the sizes, but 6.5, 7 is doing pretty good on the market. So regular Jordan 1 low box, you know, for kids, regular black box. Let's take out both the both the shoes. Oh wow, the laces came out, and this, I didn't even open it today, but the laces came out. Let's just put that in. I was seeing what size, how much size 6 go for, because I would have bought my I would have bought them from my friend that always gives me some sneakers that he got hit that I didn't, just for review. But yeah, these shoes got a lot of flaws on it, for like some of the stitching is coming out of here. But let's get the quick little thumbnail so I don't forget. These are pretty sexy, I'm not gonna lie, pretty cute. Do that thumbnail, baby, we back. Boom. So we'll go over the this pair just because there's no real flaws on there, but that's how it looks. Let's put this back in there. Yeah, even though retail was 85, I believe 85.75, I was gonna offer my friend like 120 for them and sell it for 140, just make quick 20 bucks myself, but I don't got time for that. So, but yeah, it's called Denim Wash, I believe. So you see, obviously it's with denim, but just because it's the colorway baby blue with the Nike logo right there, and the shoelaces, you can see the Jordan logo and the 23 right there and right there. So you can see, you know, people obviously like baby blue, so I just feel like because it's denim material, this thing is mad rough. Like, can't even move it. Look how tight that is. I know because probably the sneaker wood is in there, but shit, let me take that out. It's mad rough. You could feel it's mad tight, but that's that. It's still so mad rough. But Nothing inside, just regular white Jumpman with the size 6.5 tag in there. Can't really see, but the shoe's pretty solid. Like I said, it dropped the other day on Nike, and I hit one pair. Wasn't able to hit 2 or 3 because I think I tried on my mom's account, but it was too late. And my other account, I didn't hit anything. So shout out to, I guess, I think I got some on my main account or the other one. But you guys let me know what you think about these. They're pretty solid. Like I said, they're nice because they're baby blue. Not like a UNC blue, but they're, you know, they're a pretty solid shoe. They're not no leather, so this is for sure all denim. So it'll be easier to maybe clean if it does get dirty, but solid shoe. Got one pair, $85 retail, sell it for about $140. I'm basically making like a $45 profit. So might as well just take the little profit out. This is my new wave going into reselling for these next months and for the rest of the year. If it's anything less than 3 pairs, I'm selling. So if, say for example, I hit all 3 of my accounts, I'm gonna just sell the 3. You know what I'm saying? It's not a really investment. It's the quick flip versus investing. You guys know Bread-toe lows, I invested because I have over 15 pairs of those. But at the same time, these, that's not investing. Cause I got one. I'm gonna move it fast, quick flip, and get that profit and move on to the next shoe. But at least it's here for you guys to watch and review. So you guys let me know what you think. I don't know if girls are going to be watching this video because it's not a woman's shoe, so I won't have to put the woman's in the title. And then you got the Denim Jumpman right there. That's engraved, the Air Jordan Wingman logo. Can't really see, but you see it's in there. The only thing that's really leather is the Nike logo. So you see it on both sides, nothing different. Smells pretty good. Everything is good. Like I said, it's a solid Jordan 1 low. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I know it's been not relatively a fast video, but there's not much really to say about the shoe. But comment what you think about it. Like I said, I respond to all my comments. It's a size 6.5, so if you're trying to buy it before it sells, hit me up. I'll ship it to you. Just gotta pay your shipping as well. So that's it for me, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to navigate what I'm posting on this channel. I'm looking at other YouTube sneaker creators, fashion creators, whatever it is. And I'm trying to figure out, you know, what they be recording during these dry weeks and months. Because let's be honest, if you're really about this sneaker game, you really know this month, past weeks has been dry as hell. You know, I don't really be cooking too much on Yeezys. I don't be caring to go for them. You know, I just know about Jordans much. That's really what I be on and other fashion stuff. But, yeah, like I said, it feels good to be back posting videos like this. I have a couple more shoes to review this week, and as well I got update videos, and I'm gonna try to get in. Today's Monday. I'm gonna try to, if I could go hard this week, no pun intended, that sounds weird, but I'm gonna try to film 4 videos this week. So maybe tomorrow another one, and then Wednesday and Thursday we'll figure it out. But no further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for supporting. I know the channel got a little dry, but don't worry, your boy's gonna keep being consistent. It's gotta come up with a set schedule. But the summer's coming, so we're gonna get real active during the summer, of course. But no further ado, see you guys in the next one. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 500, and as well as go follow me on Instagram, and also check out the main channel. Those links will be down below in the description, so go check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.